Hey everyone, yo, we're learning some JavaScript and HTML today. So this is pretty basic. We have the script tag, test.js right here. So it's gonna run this script once it gets to this part. And test.js is a JavaScript file. And then after it's done running the script, it's gonna continue with the HTML document. And in the document, we only have, my name is Michelle in a paragraph. So the JavaScript is the fun part. We declared a variable named country, and we're gonna store the user's input into this variable, right? So we're gonna ask the user, where on earth are you from? The user is gonna put in where they're from. It's gonna store it in country. Like if the user puts NG or Nigeria, then we're gonna ask the user, how old are you? And then if the user is above 18, then we're gonna like allow them to proceed to the site. If the user is below 18, then we're gonna be like, your journey ends here, young blood. And then if the user wasn't Nigerian in the first place, then we're gonna give the user this message: this site is for Nigerians only. So this is a little project that's gonna help me test out nested conditionals. See, we're learning that in course careers. Are you ready? We're gonna go live with this just to test this out. Go live. See, started. Where on earth are you from? Let's see. Nigerian. From Nigeria. It continued. It's weird. That means there's something wrong with our code, because it was supposed to ask us. How old we were right after. So. Where did we go wrong? Try to figure it out. Okay, so we found a bug. We found what was wrong. Turns out for the conditionals, we can't use one equal sign, because one equal sign assigns the variable, but two equal signs or three equal signs asks the question. So this is asking if country, which is the variable that we're asking the user to input a value into, if country is equal to NG or equal to Nigeria, then, prompt, how old are you? I don't think it made sense asking if and then assigning a variable. Like, it's not because this has to output a true or false. So like the condition in this after the evaluation has to output true or false. So if it's just one equal sign, it doesn't make any sense. I think it just skipped over it. That's why after where on earth are you from, there was nothing else. Feel me? So all that to say, we'll just add a little bit, like a little extra the equals to the needed. We can do 2 or we can do 3. All right, we'll just stick it to 3. And then we'll go live, test it out. We have to be on JavaScript, HTML to test it out. It says where on earth are you from? Say Nigeria. Can't even spell Nigeria. And then it says how old are you? Be like 23. And then it says you may proceed to the site. And then he runs this right here. My name is Michelle. If let's say we put where on earth are you from, might be like Canada. It still asks how old are you? What? Wait, something's wrong. If it's strictly equal to Nigeria, then it should ask how old are you. Otherwise, it should be like, how? How does it still ask? That's weird. Hello. So, we went on a little debugging journey. The ultimate debugger is our AI assistant. So I put in the code and I said, I put in this code. When I ran it, the user inputted Canada for country. And the browser still proceeded to ask, how old are you? Explain. And ChatGPT made it clear that this first line, I'm actually asking the computer, is country equal to NG or true? This is not actually asking, is country equal to NG or is country equal to Nigeria? In this if context, JavaScript will actually convert Nigeria to true. So this condition is actually asking, is country equal to Nigeria or true? And this is always going to be true. So it doesn't matter what the user puts in for country. This statement is going to run as is. It's not going to skip over because it was Canada. It's not going to skip over to this side. It's for Nigerians only. It's going to just run like that. So what we do to fix that is we go back to the code and we put in country is equal to Nigeria. So now it's asking if the country is equal to NG or if the country is equal to Nigeria. Then run this code. Otherwise, and I hope this works this time, kick them out of the site. All right, let's go. Okay, where on earth are you from? I'm gonna test it out. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna be like Canada. You're kidding. Hang on. No freaking way. No way. Okay, so guys, that one was running the old code. So I just saved it. I just updated it. We're comparing to both Nigeria and NG now. Right? This might be a little blurry, but you know, I'm an amateur content creator. You guys are just gonna have to go with me. Okay, go live. I gotta go live in the HTML file. Let's try that again. Go live. Where on earth are you from? I'm from Canada. The site is for Nigerians only. Perfect. Close. And then it runs. Now, if we do this again and we're like NG from Nigeria, It's gonna be like, how old are you? Perfect. Then I'll be like, oh, I'm 17. I'm a minor. And then it says your journey ends here, young blood. That is how the code is supposed to run. Thanks guys for watching.